Hello students, in this video we will be doing fourth part of exercise 3.5. As the earlier three parts you have seen in the previous videos. So let us start fourth part, question number 4, 3.5 exercise. So let me do the next question, fourth part. Very important part to understand. Many students they find it difficult, but it is one of the easiest question if you think in a proper way. So let me solve it. Fourth question, fourth part. Statement is, places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. So there are two cars, one starts from A and one starts from place B. Now they say if the cars travel in same direction at different speeds. So if they travel in same direction, means both the cars moves in same direction of the road, same side. They meet in 5 hours. So cars will meet in 5 hours, and if they travel towards each other, means they come towards each other and they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So it means in this question we have to find the speeds. So let me assume variable. Fourth question, fourth part, very important. So now there are two things. One, so we have to find the speeds. Another thing, there are two cars. Now we can't keep on saying in the question car that starts from point A, car that starts from point B. Let me keep the name of cars also, right? So let car M starts from place A with speed x km per hour. So let car M starts from place A with speed x km per hour, and car N starts from place B with speed y kilometer per hour. So we have taken the variables and we have also taken car M. Car M means that car that starts from place A, and car N that starts from place B, right? So situation number 1, first case according to question. First let me explain you with the help of a diagram. So what we have now, here we have this is the distance 100 km, place A, B. The distance is 100 kilometers. Here is car M, here is car N. Now in first situation they say कि cars moves in same direction, they meet in 5 hours. So same direction, let me make them move in this direction, and let me say here is a point C, place C, where both the cars meet after 5 hours. So means car M has traveled the distance from A to C, right? And car N has traveled the distance from B to C, and both the cars meets in 5 hours. So this is the given in the question situation. This is the diagram. So both the cars meet at a place say C in 5 hours, moving in same direction. So what is the now speed we have? Time is given. When speed and time are given, what we can find? We can find the distance. So how much distance is traveled by car M? Formula of distance is speed into time, right? So how we write? We can write here. Let me do this work. You can do in rough or you can write in fair, it's up to you. Now distance AC will be covered Speed into time is formula. Speed is x, time is 5 hours, so 5x by car m. Right, this distance is covered. And BC distance, that is speed into time, y into 5y kilometer. This is for car n and this is for car m. So we have to form equation. Question is not saying anything about the equation, that we have to think. Now you see from this diagram, what equation can be there? Isn't it AC minus BC is equal to non-value, that is AB? We have to link it with non-value. So 5x and 5y are having variables. Now we have to link it with non-value. Non-value is 100 kilometers. So we can say AC minus BC is AB. That will give you the equation, right? So here we go. So we can write here 5x minus 5y equal to 100. And by taking 5 common, we can get x minus y equal to 20. This is your equation 1. Right? Now situation 2, case 2, according to question. Let me see what is there again with the help of a diagram. In second equation they are saying, second case they are saying, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. So let me take the highway again. A and B place, A, B, 100 kilometer apart. Here is car M again, back to its position. Car N at place B. Now they are moving towards each other and they meet in 1 hour. So in first situation we have taken car M speed more than car N. So same situation we will work with. So let me take a point D where the two cars will meet moving towards each other. So D is the place where cars will move and meet each other towards each other in 1 hour. So this is the situation. You see the diagram, I hope you understand. Car M moved from point A to D, and by that time the car N came from B to D in 1 hour. Now in these situations we have assumed one thing, both the cars starts at same time with different speeds, right? So again, how we'll form the equation? First of all, the distance, let me see distance, how much distance is covered. Car M, car N. So distance that is covered for car M, AD is the distance, that is x is speed and 1 is time, x kilometers, and same BD will be here in similar way. Y is speed, 1 hour is time, so y kilometers. Now we have to form the equation with this, we have to link it with 100. So what do you see here? We see here AD plus BD is equal to AB. So this will give you the equation. Let me write here x plus y equal to 100. This is your equation 2. So you got a pair of equations, very simple equation, x minus y 20, x plus y 100. Now you can apply any algebraic method. I am applying elimination method, and here y coefficients are already different. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. So x minus y equal to 20, x plus y equal to 100. Y will eliminate it. 2x equal to 120, x equal to 60. Now put x value in one of the equation. To get y, I am putting in the first equation 60 minus y equal to 20. So y will be equal to 40. So speed of two cars will be 60 km per hour and 40. Now we cannot fix it for car M or car N. In this case we have to take one speed more. So I have taken car M speed more, but it can be opposite also. The cars can move from this side to this side also. In that case car N speed will be more. So while answering at the end in statement line, you have to be very careful. This is the very important part of the question. How to write answer. You are not supposed to use any variable that you have supposed from your side. You have to write the answer in such a way that no car M, no car and no name should be used that you have taken from your side. Whatever is given in the question, according to that you have to answer. So we'll write the answer. Speed of two cars be 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour.